YouTube, it's your boy AOF in the building. You know what time it is, and today got something for you guys. It's a haircut. It's a tutorial. Sorry, my bad. What's going on here? Hey, what do you mean? What's this? Filming my video, like. Filming without me, baby. You know what time it is. It's your boy Nico AOF in the building. And today, guys, I got skin fade for you. We're not touching the top. It's a crop top. Let's get right with. Well, wait, what was this though? I don't understand. What up, guys? We're back in the cuts with Nico AOF, baby, and today I got a crop top for you. The only thing is we're not touching the top, we're focusing on the fundamentals of the fading, and we're going to start off by brushing all our hair forward. And with this haircut, I tend to brush it towards the growth, so following it down to the hairline. And then we're going to pick up our Slimline Pro Airlines, guys, and we're going to create our first guideline, and we're going to keep it consistent all the way down to the occipital bone. And then we're going to remove all the bulk. Once we've done that, we're going to pick up our desired foil shavers and we're going to start taking it all off, going in circular motions until it's all gone. Then we're going to have our 0.5, which is the lever open with no guard, and we're going to start creating our second guideline. Since we don't have too much space to fade, we're not going to take it too high up. Once we've done that, we're going to move the lever all halfway down, which is a 0.25, and we're going to start attacking the line. And more or less, most of the time that will come off. If not, you just move the lever a bit shorter, but don't take the first guideline up to the second. Then we're going to pick up a rock on our 2 guard, guys. And with the 2 guard, we're going to use C motions, and we're going to go, just not taking it, digging it in. We're going to flick it out a little bit, levitate it. The trick is levitate, guys. But closed, and then we're going to start doing the same thing. We're going to work our way down, just the same. What you done with the number 2, we're going to do with the 1.5 guard, guys. Once we've done that, guys, we're going to pick up our 1 guard and we're going to have the lever open. And now it gets more intense, guys. As long as the 1.5 guard was good, with this, we'll create another line and just keep the same thing, C motions, levitating, but start attacking the line a bit more. Try to focus more on the line now. Then we're going to close the lever, guys. This is going to be 1 guard. And then now, this is just keep doing the same thing as you're doing with the guard before. Just be a bit more careful, don't dig it in. Now we've worked our way down to the 0.5 guard, guys, and we're going to start the same thing, attacking the line. We're going to just not take it up too high. We're just going to focus on the bottom part and just keep going, just rubbing it. Don't stay in the same place for too long. Just keep the same flow all the way around. Then we're going to close the lever, guys, and we're going to just do the same thing. But now, guys, as long as the guards before were done well, this one won't create another line. So just levitate a little bit and keep the C motion. Then we're going to take the guard, guys, and we're going to hit with a 2-barrel technique. If you don't know what that is, that's the corner of the blade. And we're going to start attacking it with the corner just on the edge. If it's not coming off, we're going to get a little shorter. If you feel like you need to put the full blade on, you can do that. I do it in the video sometimes, but because I've cut his hair before, I know how it's going to do. Then we're going to pick up a Slimline Pro Allies again, guys, and we're going to start creating a little bit of a shape up on the front. We're not taking it too back. He doesn't like it. He likes a bit more natural, but we're just going to take the excess hair off. Since we're trying to keep the bulk on the side, guys, we're going to pick up our texturizing scissors and we're going to just give one stroke in one place. You don't want to give too many strokes. It messes up the hair growth and takes the shape away. With the back, guys, I'm going to leave you guys to it. It's the same technique, same sequence, just do the same thing all the way around through to the back. This is the cut, baby. Let me know what you think. Give a like, give a subscribe, leave a comment. If you want to see any other videos or whatever, just let me know. Put it down there. No thumbs down though, guys. No thumbs down. Let's go, baby.